Tout le monde, je m'appelle Kushi. In this video, we are going to learn the lesson 0 of your 11th standard HSC textbook. So, this lesson is about the basic topics. Some of you have requested me in the comment section. So, here it is. Lesson zero's title is Come Discover French. So, now, les symboles de la France, symbols of France. Just like we have Tiranga in Bharat, what are some, like for example, Ashok Chakra, uh, national emblem. So now we are going to learn about these symbols of France. So the first one is Marianne, le symbole de la République française. Marianne, this is a lady, this is a statue of a lady, which is a symbol of the Republic French. The next one, le coq gaulois, l'emblème de la France. Le coq gaulois, this is the emblem of France. Now, the French flag. The French flag consists of three colors, blue, white, and red. Bleu, blanche, and rouge. We'll look into the names of the colors later on. Okay. So, what do these colors signify? It is liberté, égalité, et fraternité. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay. So, le drapeau. What is the flag called? Le drapeau means the flag. Le drapeau tricolore, tricolor. Okay, there are also three colors in French flag as well. Okay, so le drapeau tricolore means what? The tricolor flag. What are the three colors? Blue, white, and red. Now, this one. Just like there is Jana Gana Mana in India, the French national anthem. This one, l'hymne national. Okay, l'hymne national. This means what? National anthem. National anthem of France is what? La Marseillaise. La Marseillaise, which means this is the name of the national anthem of France. Now coming on to the next page. This page here, it is given the pronunciations of the French alphabets. It is, I'll read it out. You go back. You can just go 10 seconds back and you can revise it again. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. These are the same. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is just the basic. Moving on to the next page. There is nothing to study over here. This is just for your understanding purpose. Now, here it is. Okay, some general rules to help you pronounce French words. The last consonant of the word in French is usually silent. Just like I'm reading it, this is nothing to learn. This is just to understand. Okay, so last consonant, the last letter in a word, the last consonant, okay, is usually silent. Consonant means the letters apart from vowel. Okay, so apart from A, E, I, O, U and H. H mute is a vowel in French. So apart from these, others are known as consonants. And consonants, the last consonant in a letter is usually silent. Just like, listen to it. Vous, elle, français, institut. Okay, so I'm not pronouncing the last letter here. The next point, there are a few exceptions. Generally, when the word ends in C, R, F, L, the last consonant is pronounced. Now, where is the last consonant pronounced? Avec, cher, attentif, il. Okay, so here we pronounce the last consonant. This is, I'm repeating again. There is no need to memorize this. Just this is for your understanding purpose. The next pointer, the last consonant of a word is pronounced when it is followed by the letter E or by another word beginning with a vowel. This is important, okay, for your understanding. The last consonant of a letter is pronounced when it is followed by letter E or by another word beginning with a vowel. So the first one, listen to it. Etudiant. Okay. Last consonant here, last letter here is E. But last consonant here is what? T. So T is pronounced because it is followed by E. Next word, assistant. Okay. And this one is important. This. Petit enfant. Here, the last consonant, this T in patit, is being read. Why so? Because the next word which is enfant, it begins with a vowel. So in that case, we pronounce the last consonant of the previous word. This is known as the rule of liaison. Again, just for understanding purpose, when the next word begins with a vowel, we have to pronounce the last consonant of the previous word. Okay. The next one. Here are 5 types of orthographical signs used in French language. Okay. So these are known as accents, l'accent. Okay. First one is l'accent aigu. There are 5. Just like in Hindi, we have matra. Okay. In Marathi, we have kana, matra, ukar, velanti. Just like that, in French, there are some accents being used. Okay. So the first one is what? L'accent aigu. How does this matra look? How does this accent look like? So, first of all, it is placed only on the vowel E. Only on E. Here, it is drawn like this. It is at this side. Okay. E. Just like in ete. Ete means summer. Donne. Donne means given. The next accent is l'accent grave. Accent grave is placed on which vowels? Placed on A, E, and U. Okay. A, E, and U. So, grave is at this side. Now I'm doing it from my side. Okay. A, E, and U. Just like in père. Père means father. Frère. Frère means brother. U. U means where. And A. A means to or at. The third one is the third one is l'accent circonflexe. Okay. L'accent circonflexe. Circonflexe is like a cap, topi. Okay. Circumflex, it is placed on A, E, I, O, U. It is placed on all the vowels. Again, ये आपको exam में, like no one is going to ask you this. Now tell me, accent grave is placed on which vowels. Okay, this is just for your understanding. So be calm, just listen to it. Now, accent circumflex, the third one. First two are what? L'accent aigu placed on E. L'accent grave on A, E, U. Now, l'accent circumflex placed on all the vowels, 5 vowels. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. Just like in août. Août means August. Fête means festival. Île means island. Hotel means hotel. Bâtiment is apartment or building. Okay, this is basically building. The fourth one, this is what? La cédille. La cédille, placed only below the letter C. The first 3 were placed above the letters. The cédille is the only accent placed below the letter C. It looks like a small s. A small s. Okay. Drawn below the letter C. Which means, just like in garçon, which means a boy. Français means French. Now, the trima. La trima. Trima means 2 dots. Okay. Rarely used in French language, placed on E, I, and U. Now, E, I, and U. Just like in Noel. Noel means Christmas. I hope these 5 accents are clear. Now you just have to memorize the names. Like l'accent aigu is at which side? L'accent grave is at which side? Okay. Now, when does one use an apostrophe sign in French? Okay. When the words ending in A, E, I are followed by another word beginning with a vowel. Okay. The first consonant of the first word, the final consonant of the first word is dropped and replaced by an apostrophe. We'll first look at the example. Suppose J apostrophe AI. The actual word was J E A I. Okay, but there are 2 vowels clashing. First word's last letter is also a vowel. The next words, the second word's first letter is also a vowel. So two vowels are clashing. In that case, we remove the last letter of the first word and we add an apostrophe. Okay. When two vowels are clashing, first word ends with a vowel, next one begins with a vowel. So we remove the last letter of the first word and we add an apostrophe. I hope you are clear until here. This was just the basic part. Okay. Now, in the next video, I'm going to continue it from here itself. Les nombres, the numbers. Okay. Do watch the next video. I have also covered the grammar topic of lesson 1 in the separate videos which I have uploaded earlier. Do let me know in the comment section what do you want me to make a video about next. Till then, bye bye.